In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We all want to become a strong human being. We all want to become a very strong human being. We all want to become a happy human being. Happy human being. We all want to gain the self esteem. We want to get the respect from the people. And we have chosen a way we have chosen a way to reach that destination and to achieve those objectives. What is the way? The way is to achieve more wealth, to be a wealthy person, to be a wealthy person, and to be, and to be a confident to, to, to be a wealthy person, to be a strong human being, to achieve the self-esteem, to get the respect from the people. This is our destination, and we have chosen a way. The way we have chosen is that we should be achieving more wealth, we should enhance our living standard, and we should glitter more than our present status. So, this is the way we have chosen to become a strong human being, to become a confident human being, to achieve the self esteem, to achieve the happiness, to achieve the satisfaction, to increase the level of satisfaction considerably, to achieve the happiness level considerably, to be a strong human being, to be a more confident human being considerably. So, this is the wealth has been chosen, the wealth has been declared as the way to reach our destination, plus our relationship with the people, the relationships with the people who are having a high status in the society. We want to relate ourselves to those people, we want to be connected with those people, and this is the way we have chosen. Let me tell you, this is not the right way. This is not the right way which can take us to the right destination. Why am I saying this thing, and what is the proof, and what is the argument in favor of my opinion, in favor of my analysis? The argument is that now look upon your past, go back 15, 20 years back. You weren't having that much of money as compared to today. Your dresses were not as good as you are wearing today. Your food was not as good at that time as you are having today. So the food you are eating, the food we are eating has improved considerably. The dresses we are wearing, the dresses of today versus the dresses of 10, 15, 20 years back, now we are wearing far better dresses. Now we might be having slightly better or considerably better relationship with the people of high society in the with the people of our high society. But all of these things could not give us happiness. All of these things could not give us satisfaction. All of these things could not provide us with the self-esteem. All of these things could not make us a more confident and a more strong human being. So, if we could not become a strong human being, despite the fact that we are having a far better financial status, despite this fact, we are not a strong human being, we are not a happy and confident human being. This means that even no matter how much of the money we do achieve further in the future, it will not make us a strong human being. It will, and no matter how much relationships we succeed in developing here in this society, and even with the people who are so called elite class people, even if we do succeed in developing the relationships with these people and succeed in achieving more money, we will not become a strong and a happy and a satisfied human being with a more self-esteem and with a more confidence. So if it is so, then what to do, where to go, which way to adopt? One thing has been proven, that the way we have adopted to reach our destination is the wrong way, it is not the right way, it is not getting us closer to our destination. So what can make get us closer to our destination is actually that we should develop a strong relationship with the God Almighty, with Allah Rabbul Izzat. We should develop a strong relationship, and if at all we do succeed in developing a strong relationship with the God Almighty, if at all we become a very obedient human being of God Almighty, if we do become a good human being, so I believe that we will become a happier human being as well. We will become a we will become a strong human being as well. We will become a more confident human being as well. We will become a person with a good self esteem. So all of these things are attainment of all these things is possible only if we succeed in developing the good relationship with the God Almighty. If at all the deeper our relationship with the God Almighty becomes, the more the more obedient the more obedient person we do become, the more obedient to God Almighty, the more happier, the more strength we will succeed in achieving. If at all you don't believe in what I'm saying, then find a person. Try to find a person who is having a good relationship with the God Almighty, who is a pious human being, who is a more obedient human being to God Almighty, in whose life obedience to Allah Rabbul Izzat is the number one priority. Find a person like that and speak to him or her, whether he or she is happy or not, whether he or she is a strong and confident human being or not, whether he or she is having more self esteem or not. If they do say that yes, they have achieved this thing by establishing a good relationship with the God Almighty, then it is a kind of proof. Then it is a kind of proof that this is the right way, and we need to walk on this right way. We need to walk on this way. We need to follow those people, and if we do follow these people, if at all we do follow the pious people, if at all we do follow the people who are the truly obedient to God Almighty, in whose life obedience to God Almighty is the number one priority, let me tell you that we will become a strong human being. We will become a more confident human being. We will enjoy more peace of mind, and we will be having better life, and the better life hereafter. We will become the human being with a good amount of self-esteem, and definitely all of these things do ensure our success here in this world as well as in the life hereafter. Thank you very much.